Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check my Instagram account is public or private. The first thing we will look at is whether the professional dashboard appears. If so, the account will be public by default. Another option to check it is to go to the Settings and Activity drop-down menu and click on Account Privacy. Here we can check whether or not we have activated the private account option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.